How to get your Snapchat password if you forgot it. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bin Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can get your Snapchat password or how you can see your Snapchat password if you forget it. Now, to get things simple and straight, unfortunately you won't be able to view your Snapchat password if you forget it. Now there is an option, however, if you have saved your Snapchat password to your Google account, then you can head over to your Google account settings. So I'll just head over to settings first, and from here I'll just head into Google. Now here you can head into manage accounts first and then select the particular Google account where you might have saved your account password, right? And then you can head into Google account by tapping on it, and you want to head into this particular page. Now let it load up. As you can see here, from here you want to head into security, and then you want to scroll down below where you'll be able to see the saved passwords. You can see manage password manager. You want to tap on manage passwords, and then you can select the Snapchat if you have saved it here, and then you'll have to verify yourself, and after that you'll be able to see your password. The other way around is, if you forgot your Snapchat password, on the login page you'll have to simply tap on forgot your password option, enter in your phone number or your email address associated with your account, get the recovery code, and then reset your password. So this is the way that you can get your Snapchat password if you forgot it. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.